Hello students, hello viewers, welcome to this video. And in this video, we are going to look at a new word. And let me first, as usual, spell the word for you. And then we will look at the pronunciation of the word. Okay, so first we'll spell the word, then I'll tell you how many syllables the word divides itself into. And then we look at the pronunciation of the word, and then we look at the stressed syllables in the word. Okay, so the spelling of this is how this word is spelled. And when I spell the word, why don't you do one thing? Just this is a suggestion. I mean, it's completely voluntary. Keep a pen and a piece of paper or a notebook nearby, so that as I spell it, you can note it down, and then uh, you can trace how the video is going. And also, when you have a notebook, you can always look at the progression of the videos, and give me feedback on that. Okay, so please note down the spelling of the word is Dactylography. Let me repeat. It is Dactylography. And this word divides itself into 5 syllables. Okay, they are dactylography. So the first syllable is dac, the second syllable is t, the third syllable is log, the fourth syllable is r, and the fifth syllable is phi. Okay, so let's first listen to the pronunciation of this word, and then we will go into, you tell me which is the stress syllable. See, obviously, one rule that you will be very, very comfortable with is that the last syllable usually does not get the will not take the stress. So forget phi. Okay, so listen to the pronunciation of this word. It's dactylography. 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 So if you notice, let me first share screen with you. If you notice, you'll notice that just a minute. Let me share screen, and then you will be able to share. There we are. This is the word for today, and I gave you the pronunciation right now. Let me repeat it again. Dactylography. Dactylography. So there we are. 5 syllables. So there are 2 stress syllables here. The primary stress, that is the primary stress, that is that which is stressed the most, that syllable which is stressed the most, is the third syllable, dactylography. And you also know, by now you should be well aware, and of course I'm willing to repeat it again and again, that, let me stop share, that the primary stress will always occur after the secondary stress. So the stress, that the syllable that takes the maximum stress, will usually be after the syllable that takes the secondary stress. So rank 1 will be after rank 2. Okay, as you progress from the left to the right hand side of the word. Okay, so don't expect, I mean, if there are 2 stress syllables, you can automatically assume that the primary stress syllable will be after the secondary stress syllable. Okay, so that is what happens here also. So let me share screen again, so that you are able to take a good look at the word. So it's dactylography. Dactylography. Now I said that we are going to look at the transcription also. So this is the transcription of it. So there we have the primary stress is, please follow the cursor. The primary stress is marked by a diacritic, or this particular symbol, which is of course a diacritic, which indicates that log has the primary stress. And please follow the cursor again. See, there we have this symbol below the syllable. The first syllable indicates that dac takes the secondary stress. Now, if you notice, there are surprisingly in this, the number of letters in a syllable and the number of sounds in the syllable are the same, almost the same. In fact, except for phi, look at this. We have DAC here, there is DAC, CVC. So C is consonant, vowel, consonant. T here, and then T here, T, E here. Log, L, O, G, and R. Okay, so, but I'm not going too deep into it right now. So, and phi, of course, yeah, PH becomes if, and Y is the E here. So the number of letters and the number of sounds, usually don't correspond to each other. And well, there we have it. As I was, presenting this word, I've been preparing for this word to present this word. I noticed this very strange thing. So I don't take my words back. The number of letters and the number of sounds usually do not, do not correspond with each other. Wherever you have the number of letters will be usually less than the number of sounds, or vice versa. Okay, so you never know. I'll be doing a video on that, so don't worry. I've been promising many videos, but then yeah. So hopefully this by another 2 weeks I'll be able to make those videos. So the word for today is, let me share screen again. It's dactylography, and it's not dactylography, it's dactylography. Usually we have a tendency to introduce a sound here, okay, between T and E and L, but well, it's dactylography. It's not dactylography, it's dactylography. Dactylography. So please keep practicing this word. Thanks for all the views that you've given. Well, it keeps me going, and please ask your doubts. And students, this is especially a message to the students. Please keep practicing, because only with regular practice, you'll be able to get your pronunciation right. All right. So thanks a lot. The word for today is dactylography. There are 2 stress syllables in this, and please watch out for the next video. Thank you. Goodbye, and keep practicing.